my name is Suzanne Stockden and I studied A-levels at Nice College. I did computer studies, maths and geography. I really enjoyed the computing A-level. There was aspects of practical programming type lessons which was really much more hands-on, and actually you were developing something and producing something. You also then had the theory-based lessons as well. So there were a number of lecturers that helped us on our A-level computing course, and they were all very knowledgeable. They all had industrial experience, which was really useful. That not only allowed you to have real life examples when you're programming or in a lesson, but it also gave me an idea of the type of job that I could do at the end of it. But it was the grounding for everything I do today, basically. If I hadn't have done my A-level in computing, I would have had to have gone down a completely different path. So at the moment, I'm a program manager for a company called Tribal Group. So I continued my career into IT. So my A-levels allowed me to do the degree I wanted, and I've stayed in an IT career to date and will continue to do so. So as in many industries, IT has graduate placement schemes, and I was taken on in Tata Steel's graduate placements, and I worked there for a number of years, working my way up through being a programmer to a business analyst to a team lead, and then I moved from there into a company called Capgemini, which is one of the top 10 IT companies at the moment. So that gave me a huge boost in my career. I worked there for 10 years. I think IT today is everywhere. It's in every industry. It's in manufacturing, it's in retail, it's in the private sector, public sector, you name it. Every company has got an IT department. There's a place for women in this industry. There weren't many girls. It was basically a room full of boys and a handful of girls. I'm sure that's changed over the years. The industry is changing constantly. IT changes all of the time, so it never stands still. That means the course that you go on doesn't stand still either. Nice College will always make sure that the course content is relatable to what's out there in the industry today. So it's a really interesting course to do because there's so much more out there these days. There's cybersecurity, there's so much more than just being a programmer in IT. I would encourage anybody to come to Nice College and look at the various courses that in the IT department, then anything from the A-level to the vocational to ICT. If you can include that in your learning path over the next couple of years, then that'll give you a good grounding, and you could then move into any sector with some IT experience. Then I think you're onto a great career.